Okay, we're back and we're gonna clean this thing up. If you wanted it real dark, you could just wipe it down light or let it dry. But I buff these out with the wax, so it's got to be completely ready. Okay. Now, get some of these grooves I was talking about. Okay. We have it pretty well cleaned up. So now what we're going to do is throw our face mask back on and see about getting this sucker cut. Okay. This one's cut pretty well. Oh, my mask is dirty. Just take your cutting tool. I want to show you guys something. I'm doing this. Get the camera. You can see it's about a little thicker than a pencil lead on both ends, and pretty much we can just, when we pull this out now, we're going to pull this out, and you can just pop these ends right off, you know, that way you're staying safe. And hit pause. I'm going to go grind these tips off real quick.